Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cookies in Toca Boca. First, navigate to any house with a kitchen. Once there, open the refrigerator to find your ingredients. You'll need to select the pre-made cookie dough. This is the essential first step to begin your baking adventure. Get ready to create some delicious virtual treats. Now that you have your cookie dough, drag it onto a baking sheet. Next, carefully move the baking sheet into the oven. You'll see a timer appear. Set it for a brief period, usually just a few seconds in Toca Boca. This quick bake time ensures your cookies are ready without a long wait. Keep an eye on them. Once the timer goes off, take your perfectly baked cookies out of the oven. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Look around the kitchen for different toppings like sprinkles, frosting, or chocolate chips. Simply drag your chosen decorations onto each cookie. You can make every cookie unique with your creative flair. Enjoy personalizing them. Finally, arrange your beautifully decorated cookies onto a plate. You can then serve these delightful treats to any of your Toca Boca characters. Watch as they react with joy and excitement to your homemade creations. It's a wonderful way to share your baking success and bring happiness to your virtual world. Enjoy your delicious cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.